Headlight here. In this video we're going to replace the headlight bulbs. This is a 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse. We are installing some Hellas. These are the plus 50s. And it is a, as you can see, H4 9003. Now, let me warn you, if you are upgrading to a brighter bulb, more wattage, and you haven't already, try to turn this where you can see it, replaced your stock pigtail here, replace it. That pulls a lot of power, and the stock ones are little thin, pathetic wires. The ones on these burnt out just on the stock bulbs. It literally started smoking, and that's why they were replaced. So it's the same on both sides. Simply unplug it. You're going to have this rubber piece right here that keeps weather out. Just pull it out. I hope you can see this. There is a clip. Push it in, down, and let it come up. Slide it over. And you're going to grab the bulb that's going to want to fall out on its own and pull it out. This is a microfiber cloth. Use whatever kind of cloth you want, but make sure you're either wearing gloves, not dirty gloves, or you really clean your fingers good before you pull the new one out. Don't touch the bulb. That's the whole key here. You don't want oils on the bulb. That's going to cause it to fail prematurely. It'll be a hot spot. Remember, these things are hot, and it will cause it to burn out. All right, so we're back down here. It plugs in the single spot on top, the single clip, and the plug will have the extra one is on the top, two on the sides. Now we're going to bring this in. Trying to keep it so you can see it. Push it in, down, then up so it catches that clip. The bulb is now in and solid. We take the plug. Nope, not yet. Don't forget your insulator. Take your insulator. Make sure all three of the plug ends are through the middle. Push it in. Maybe you can see it. Now we plug it in. And like I said, a ceramic one is definitely the way to go. So we get it lined up. When you replace headlight bulbs, I do suggest you do it in pairs, because if one burnt out, the other one is going to burn out shortly, more than likely. That's all it is. That's all you need to replace these bulbs. It's very simple. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.